check this 10 chord progressions that you can use to make your Afro beats. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Okay, we are in the first studio now. Let's move on. I'll still use the hot muffin to demonstrate this, and I have this drum loops from what Looperman. Let's listen to the first chord progression. Subscribe if you are new to this channel. Okay, so the first chord progression is what major A, E minor, then B minor, and what D major. Let's open that one. Okay, like this. Okay, so first of all, let's listen to the chord progression, then we proceed by adding what the drum loops. So what you can do to make this chord progression more interesting is to hit what Alt plus S, okay, and it will bring this stramizer. Okay, then you play with the start, the time over here, and the end. Okay, if you want to know more about this, I have this video at the top there, go and watch it. Let's move on, so let's listen to it. Okay, so now let me add the drum loops. I've switched from pattern what to song, so it will play along with what the drum loops. Let's go. Ooh. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is going to be what B minor, A major, then E minor. Let's open that. First of all, let's listen to it without the drum loops. Now let's add the drum loops. Let's move on to the next one, which is B minor, A major, E minor, and what B minor. Again, let's open that. So first of all, let's listen to it before adding the drum loops. Remember, you can make this chord progression more interesting by hitting what Alt plus X on your keyboard. Then it will bring this stramizer that I have already done my settings, but I have the video up there. Click on this video to watch how to use the stramizer very well, how to make your chord progression more interesting. So I'll click on accept because I've already done my settings. Let's listen to it now. Now I'm going to add the drum loops. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is E minor, B minor, and what D major. Let's open that one. First listen. Okay, so I'll hit the Alt S to make it more interesting. Then we add the drum loops. Let's move on. The next one is E minor, B minor, D major, A major. Let's listen to that one first without the drum loops. Remember, you can move it up. Now let's add the drum loops and also make it more interesting by hitting Alt S on the keyboard. Accept, add the drum loops. Let me go octave. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Guys, subscribe if you are new here, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. So the next one is F sharp minor, A major, D major, and what? F major. Let's open that one. Let's play it first without the drum loops. Make it more interesting. Alt S, accept, add drum loops. Move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is F sharp minor, D major, and A major. Let's listen to it. I'm going to make it more interesting. Alt plus S, accept. Watch the video up there to know much about the strumizer. Okay, let's add the drum loops. We move on to the next one. The next one is F sharp minor, D major, and what? E major. Let's listen to it first. Now let's add the drum loops. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, subscribe if you are new to this channel. So the next one is G minor 7th, then B flat, then E flat major 7th. Okay, let's open that one, then listen first. Let's add the drum loops. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is what? G minor 7, E flat, E major 7, then G minor 7th. Okay, let's listen to it first. Now let me add the drum loops. Now let's move on to the last one over here, which is special one. Now I really like this one. Listen to it. Now let's add it to the drum loops. Okay, so guys, these are the 10 chord progressions that you can use to start making your Afrobeat from scratch. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to receive the next video. It's God Sire on the beat, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.